14% grade? What?
Oh my. Up or down?
Down.
Oh. Making our way to a grand staircase in Escalante, right? Or is it?
I think it's, I honestly have no clue.
Or maybe it's just, I don't know.
It's grand, I think it's grand staircase Escalante.
Grand staircase Escalante?
I honestly have no clue.
Not sure exactly how that goes, but that's where we're going, and it is awesome here. It's so cool. We weren't really sure what to expect, honestly, but just driving here has been so much fun. A little bit like crazy with 14% grades and some narrow roads, but really awesome, and I think we're going to have a great weekend hanging out here. We parted ways with Life Among Pines, Sam and Brendan this afternoon, which we're pretty sad about, but they're going to have a great time in Moab for the next couple weeks or so. We're going to miss them. This morning we are going to do the slot canyons Peekaboo and Spooky. They're really quite easy. They're 3 miles total, both of them. And I think you go down Peekaboo, or up Peekaboo and down Spooky, something like that. So that is what we're doing today. It's gonna be so fun. Can't take the pups with, so they'll miss us, but it'll be a good day. This is when having an off-road vehicle comes in really handy. There was a trailhead back there. If your vehicle doesn't have 4-wheel drive or high clearance, this road is not recommended. So it's pretty neat because we don't have to stop at the first trailhead and walk an extra 2 miles to get to the actual slot canyon. We can just drive because we've got Wendy. So that is pretty sweet. Definitely comes in handy sometimes.
So we met a nice other couple from Michigan, and they informed us that they heard that they think there's a foot of water in the canyon. So there was a sign-in station to sign in to the backcountry, I guess. But other than that, there's really no like trail or trailhead. It's just kind of like, here's the GPS coordinates of the canyon and have at it. But there's a bunch of cairns to follow, so that's good. You excited?
I am excited.
You nervous?
Kind of, because I don't do very well being confined and claustrophobic, kind of. I've developed that as an adult, I think. If you remember the St. Louis Arch. Didn't like that. I'm guessing this is going to be nothing like that, but hey, I don't know.
I guess portions of Spooky get pretty narrow, like you gotta suck the gut in. But I don't know, we'll find out and we'll let you guys know. Canyon log right in here, not on canyon walls. Alright, so this is the entrance to Peekaboo, I guess. I'm pretty positive that this is it. There's a big old puddle at the bottom, and we have to scramble up that.
Let's do it. Go for it. You can do it.
There's a couple of handheld carved in there. Good thing this camera's waterproof. Lindsay just tossed it to me and I dropped it in the puddle. I think I take back what I said about canyoneering. I've always thought that it would make me super nervous, but like, obviously this is kind of sketchy. I always think it's gonna make me nervous because like with climbing, if something bad happens, you just rappel. You know, you just kind of bail. But when you're canyoneering and something bad happens and you're in the middle, the only way out is to keep going, so. But like, this is so fun. Alright, so we came from there. We went up 2 things. And it already looks really sweet, but like it's already been an adventure. So I fell in with my left foot on the last obstacle. So at this point, Lindsay was she took her shoes off and just waded through it.
But forget it, that's gonna take too long.
But she had no traction on her bare feet. So at this point, I'm just probably gonna say screw it, just walk through anything if I have to with my shoes on. They'll dry out, they're trail runners. And it's only 3 miles, it's not like we're having to hike 15 miles in muddy shoes. What? See, like for real? This is insane. My shoes are already wet. Just remember to be careful easing into these puddles.
Okay. I think so. This is probably one of the coolest things we've ever done.
I think we're almost to the end. I might slot back up though. Looks like it's slotting back up again. Alright, I think I have to take my bag off.
We are out of Peekaboo. Now we have to find Spooky. That was a lot of fun. I'm not a huge fan of all the water, but once your shoes just get wet and you accept it, it's not a big deal. It was really fun.
When you get out of the Peekaboo Canyon, you have to go right, and then you catch the Spooky Slot Canyon, and then you take that back down to the wash we originally started in. But there's just like cairns everywhere, and so we ended up going way out of our way, following these cairns, and like it took us not at all in the way we were supposed to go. So I would definitely recommend using All Trails or Hiking Project or something to try and keep track of the trail so you don't get too far off of it. Okay, so we made it to the top of Spooky Gulch, I think is what it's called. This is Spooky Gulch, just a big old wash. And we have this big old sand dune, but then I think you follow this canyon down here, and then it eventually slots back up.
This is way cool. You guys, we have never been prepared a day in our life, and I just had an extra SD card. It's such a good feeling. I think that means we're officially, I don't know, good YouTubers? I don't know, but I'm so excited. Oh man. This is so cool. This one's cooler than the other one.
What?
Yeah.
Why would you say that?
I just feel like it is.
I like the other one. How you doing?
Good. This is one of the coolest things we've done, like, ever, I think.
Feel claustrophobic?
No, do you?
No?
Not at all. I think it's because it's open at the top. I mean, yeah, I don't feel like confined at all. Not that, I mean, it's not dangerous. It is kind of dangerous, but it's awesome.
Deep and wet.
It is?
Yeah. Like it's narrow in the slots. I don't know if the water's deep. Wow. Oh my gosh. Just gets narrower and narrower. Oh. If you get claustrophobic, this might not be the activity for you. Or, it's exactly what you need. Trial by fire. Made it.
That was awesome. I feel like I conquered like a huge fear of mine, and it was amazing. I got a little bit nervous there. I think Garrett did too when I got really, really tight, but it was so fun. I feel like I'm hooked on this canyon stuff.
That was really fun.
So cool. We're really sad that we have to leave Grand Staircase because it's so cool here. Escalante as a whole is so awesome. It's really neat. We are definitely going to be back probably next winter and spend more time here because it's amazing. I wish our boondocking spot had a little bit more service, better cell signal. Then we probably could stay longer, but there's not really enough signal to work. So we need to go back, and we're gonna make our way towards St. George this afternoon. So yeah, it was so cool. I loved it.
That was so much fun. Yeah, we've been wanting to get into canyoneering for a while, but now like I feel like we have to.
Oh, for sure. I want to do it with ropes and like the whole thing. So all right, thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to watch more of our adventures as we RV around the country. And yeah, thanks for living life with us today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.